fresh. Happy birthday to me. So, we're leaving Koblenz, Germany. Pupunta kami sa, where we're going again? North?
South.
So, nandito kami sa North. So, pupunta kami ng South, which is Subuskumun. Basta, yun na yun, guys. Bahala na kayo. Nanggaling na kami doon before. Ayun. We've been there before. When Daddy Albert has a party, company party.
Well,
So,
I forgot that, but yeah.
so yun na nga. Pupunta kami doon kasi.
I actually know that, but I actually don't know if that was the place.
So, today, I'm not driving because it's my birthday. Knuffles mean hug. And alam niyo ba?
And kiss also means kiss, but also pillow.
Ayun na nga, ano na nga sasabihin ko, nakalimutan ko tuloy. So, second time namin mapupunta doon. We stop over here last night kasi it's gonna be very long hours if
Watch
we stop.
out, guys, because I have a magic wand.
If we travel all the way to Subuskumun, ayun na yon. So, may work si Daddy Albert, kaya sumama kami. So, yung surprise nila sa akin
And
mag-ama.
if I'm good, then I can buy a toy.
So, yung surprise nyo sa akin is sasama tayo ni Daddy Albert sa work niya. Kasi nga, bakasyon si Alec is autumn vacation. And since it's my birthday, and few days naman siya rito, so sumama kami para rin makapaglipot kami.
And I also made a card for mommy. It's in the backpack.
May surprise daw siya. Anyway, guys, itutour namin. Hindi masyadong mahaba yung video namin kagabi dito sa Koblenz. Medyo, naglobat kasi ako. Naglobat yung phone ko, so hindi ko nakunan lahat. Pero hopefully now, meron na akong nakapag-charge. So, I will be able to take video as much as we can.
And I
Diba,
have
Lek?
a camera, so mommy needs to charge that later.
Oh, may camera din siya. So, we'll have 3 hours. Ano sasabihin mo kay nanay?
Magandang arawan, nanay.
Magandang
Mahal kita.
Gosh. Magandang kaarawan, nanay.
Kinefal.
So, it's the best birthday na kasama ko itong bata, Batuta. I can't imagine celebrating my birthday without you and Daddy. Not like before. So, we'll see you again, guys. Keep watching our video. Later ulit. Bye. Ayan na nga, pa-enter na kami ng Subuskumun. So, it's eastern part of German state. And ang total population dito is around 60,000 nakatao. Tapos, famous din sila sa river. Magagandang river at makikita nyo rin yung nature. Maganda, green, and medyo konting bundok. May hill, pero hindi naman ganun kataas. And syempre, pag pupunta sa Germany, hindi pwedeng hindi kayo kakain ng German sausage. Very famous dito. Nandito na kami sa hotel. Ang dito may river. Yung parang falls.
Ang ganda.
Yeah, ang ganda.
Si Alec eh.
Ano ka? Sino ka?
Alec.
Ako si Alec eh. So, we're here in La Fortuna. Sa ano pangalan na to? Place, no? Subuskumun, Alec?
There's only one people because
Oy, anong pangalan nung lugar?
Subuskumun.
Kasi ako guys, hindi ko siya ma-pronounce.
There's only one people because I see one car too.
Okay. Ito na kami sa 231 La Fortuna, Subuskumun, Germany. Okay, go. Hi, it's warm.
It's always warm in Germany.
Mommy.
Oh, you have your own bed, Alec. Yeah.
Gummies, gummies, gummies! Gummies everywhere!
Dito sa Germany, always, pag nag-check-in ka, except sa last hotel na pinuntahan namin. Look, show me. Lagi silang merong gummy bear. Kasi made in Germany ang gummy bear, guys. Nadudo yung bata. Ito yung view namin.
They have so much in here.
So, this is the view. So, meron silang fitness spa, sauna, except jacuzzi. Ang ingay na dalawa. Except yung jacuzzi close. So, ito yung toilet. Let's see. Oh, not bad. It's nice. May shower. Chuba. Ayun. Okay lang. It's much better than the last hotel we've been.
They have AC.
Exactly. They have AC. And nandito na kami sa city center. It's nice to be back here. Last time we was here, doon kami nagstay sa kabila. So now this side. So in city center, maraming restaurant. So ikot-ikot, tapos hahanap kami ng makakainan. And mag-sit down. So what's the name of this one, Han?
Which one?
This city?
Servicecommand, the same.
Savage Command.
Fine.
Yeah, but I cannot say it. Alam niyo ba? Hi!
Guys,
Ayan.
this new water bottle I made it. First, it was apple juice water, and then I removed those apple juice stickers, and I put this stickers on. And
Nandito na kami sa... How do you say it, Alex? Savage Command. Oh, yun na yun, guys. Kasi ako hindi ko masabi. Ito kami sa restaurant. Here. So, we're gonna spend some time here. And today, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to you. So, today, I'm 41 years old. 41 na ako, guys. My gosh. And my anak is 6 years old. I can't believe. Anyway, pero sila ditong parang crispy pata. So, yun yung kakainin ko. So, walang diet. Plus, I have my red wine. And then, ayun na nga, panpack sa Germany. Alam niyo ba, nag-drive ako rito? Nakakaloka sila. Ang speed limit 130, yung iba nag-speed daw dito 180, sabi ni Albert. 180 they speed sometimes. There's no limit. My God, worse than Manila. Kaloka. Ang bilis talaga nila mag-drive. Anyway, nakakatuwa kasi
ang balis nga.
first time I drove in Germany kasi last time si Daddy Albert yung nag-drive. Nag-drive ako konti lang from his office which is so near from here. Pwede din lakarin. And here, it's more countryside. It's 3 hours and a half drive from Koblenz, kung nasaan kami kahapon. So, it's 3 and a half drive. And it's a countryside kasi malapit yung office dito ni Daddy Albert. So, we'll stay here for 2 nights kasi meron siyang work tomorrow and to stay. So, kami ni Alec mag-ikot-ikot. Then, we'll show you kung ano yung klaseng food nila. It's a German food yung pig knuckle ang tawag nila. Famous dito doon. Wala kang school of ka. Anyway, later guys. May wish daw siya para sa akin. Sige, kasi nakalimutan daw niya kahapon. So, kailangan kong i-add sa video. O, ano yung wish mo?
My wish is that Mama Philippines and Mama Whiskey will be safe. And us too.
Oh, that's so sweet. Eh, bakit? What about Papa?
Tsaka Papa,
Oh.
tsaka I don't know.
Inulit niya ako, guys. Kailangan ko daw i-video yung wish niya. Anyway, later ulit.
I didn't say that.
Okay, habang hinihintay namin yung aming food, I will show you. Food namin, guys. So, ito yung pork knuckle. Para siyang crispy pata. And, Han, what did you order?
Turkey schnitzel.
Turkey schnitzel.
Turkey schnitzel.
Turkey siya. Tapos parang egg noodles na ang lalaki. Eh, dito hati kami ni Ali kasi ang laki niya. Hindi ko mauubos. It's eating dinner. So, meron ditong ice cream shop. Lamig, di ba, guys? Tapos kakain kami ng ice cream. Ayan na. Nakatakbo na yung bata. Where? Kakain kami ng ice cream. Oh, Daddy, go na with Daddy. So, kakain kami, guys, ng ice cream. So, ganito kalamig. Guys, yung pala, hindi pala itong gilid. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig. Mas malamig actually sa Netherlands. Dito, it's like, now at the moment, it's 15 degrees. Ito pala, gelato ice cream. What's that flavor? Cheesecake ice cream. Oh, that looks nice.
And I'll want
What do you want, Sata?
I'll want one small scoop of this and one small scoop of that.
Vanilla and chocolate. Chocolate, guys.
No, that's pink
Chocolate.
one. The pink one.
Pink one.
This one.
Eder beer. Oh, okay.
Oh no, I don't want that. I just want vanilla and chocolate.
Kanilang chocolate. Ice cream ni Alec. Nalakad kami. After namin bibili ng ice cream, kumakain sila mag-ama ng ice cream. Anong degree na ngayon? Alec, hindi ka nilalamig?
No.
Ay, Diyos ko, ako ang lamig. So, kumakain sila ng ice cream
Vanilla a bit
gama.
more. This one is like a bit like hot cocoa.
So, almost ano na dito, sunset.
Cold cocoa.
Almost sunset na. So, naghahanap kami ng supermarket kasi wala kaming tubig. Some people here,
If there's no toy store, they can buy toys and go.
some people here drinking tap
And we can
water.
also buy it tomorrow.
We drink tap water sa Netherlands kasi talagang alam namin na malinis. But here, I cannot risk for Alec na uminom ng tap water. So, I hope, kasi Sunday normally, everything is closed. So, I hope that this supermarket, it's open. So, where we are now?
This is the other hotel where my colleagues always sleep.
Yeah. So, where are we going now, Han?
You have the phone in your hand.
I don't know where to go.
I don't know.
Meron kaming map na sinusundan, guys. I'm quite stupid following map while walking. Okay, baka siya pag nagda-drive ka. So, ito ang Sabiskumun. Alec, how you pronounce it? Sabiskumun?
Say this command.
Oh, yun na yun, guys. Ang ganda ng architecture niya. It's a countryside sa Germany. Pero maganda, tahimik. Normally, pag summer dito, madaming tourists. So, ngayon, it's autumn. Medyo konti lang ang tao. Tahimik. So, wala kang maririnig na ingay. Eto na yung hotel namin. So, it's like 300 meters from city center. We stay here in Hotel Fortuna. Kita niyo yung flag ng Germany. It's quite a big hotel and it's a nice hotel. I prefer this one kesa nung pinagstayan namin last 2021 yata, 2022. Same place. Here it's more nice and they have bigger rooms. And if you can see, ayan na, along the highway. Nandun, bundok at may mga bahay. Parang Baguio style. Ganun ba, guys? Ayan. Patayin ko muna. Baka masagasaan ako.